As twilight falls, each twilled field conjures you. They're new, these reveries, a forever tie felt soul deep. I knit you into all I see. Jigsawed stone walls stand with years, not budging. My bus journey further south spent peering out, greeting gorse, horse, cows, house. I fear I've hurt you too much. Would, if I could, curl into cloch, be constant, a good, strong stone, pinned into place, purpose known. The world's on pause, in snapshot, a thorny thicket, a turloch, only a lake on occasion, the constant change of nature. The way I used to change you, amaze you, make you playful, but all of my stunts have sunk of late, like stones flung plunk in a lake. But this, I smile at a liss, a wild island in grass neatly clipped. Some things are sacred, can't be touched, only understood in the gut. I'm on the last bus on earth. It's late, but the sky's aglow and slow to fade. My heart aches. Listen closely. To me, you are holy. By hand I wrote on my notebook's flyleaf, the price we pay for love is grief. I dreamt once of a world without you. All the fields were empty.